Okay, the train is on the other side of the platform, so I don't know what that lady was saying. It says Castellello, so this is the train. Castelvetrano. Everyone is not sure. The second class. But this is quite good, second class. Very nice. Got plenty of space down there with a toilet. And I suppose we'll be bobbing around left and right to see which way is the best to get a vantage point of view. So that road there, that side street is coming off the main road that will go to MD Supermarket and that church, which I need to go in for Steve. Steve's an ace guy, totally ace, down to earth, amazing heart, wonderful guy. I'm blessed to know him. And the other side is where it crossed, where then you're going towards the bus point to get the coach to, and the hospital is all down there. So it's come from Mausala. So we are on this platform. It said on the top, I could just barely see, but I wanted to confirm that it is Castel. And let me see if I can pronounce it. Castelvetrano. There we go. The video is fuzzy when you do nearby. Now that's not good. Maybe I need to do some settings or something. It's just, you can't see it. Anyway, I took a photo of it. I'll put it in the video clip. Yeah, Castelvetrano, 23 kilometers. There's no particular timings on it. So valid on the 9th of February 2026. Distributed for on behalf of the carrier. Valid 4 hours from validation. Interesting. Now, tomorrow we'll see. Now, we know the machine takes time once you do contactless, and then I'm pushing it again. So we're still waiting. It's 11:23 and 20 seconds, and we haven't gone off. In Germany, we would have gone off straight away. You know, you're in Berlin, poof, it's gone. You know, that is Versprache in Deutsch, whatever, engineering precision. In fact, most of the very complex machines are still being made in Netherlands and Germany and are exported to the Chinese. The Chinese can't make those machines, which are like super complex. And some of them are from Sweden as well. So the Dutch, not so Dutch is the correct word, Netherlands, Germany and Sweden, high tech. Saab was an amazing company until the Americans bought it and destroyed it basically. And that's what's happened to Mercedes. It's just not the same. Okay, the designs of the cars are now fantastic, but they have a lot of problems. This one's got the, let me see, how do I get this up? This is, oh, look at that fountain. Yes, it's not on. Oh, and there's another train coming from the other side. It hasn't got a screen on top there to say, unless that's it. That's the end point maybe. No barriers like in England. There's only one staff who's on the phone, and some young guy who's like, yes, Senora, è vietato oltrepassare a linea viali. Like GIA means already, so Gialla. So don't step on over the line. Oh, it says there in English, don't go beyond the line, yellow line. So, there we go. So this is what a train is, Trenitalia. Disabled places with a ramp. There we go. So now we're heading southwards at the moment. The line is going south, and then it will curve around to get to Castelvetrano. I have to read that on the card. I remember as a kid I couldn't even pronounce medical words from Gangon or Guyton Physiology or Gray's Anatomy. Oh my gosh. So now we're running along the coast. There's not much on the other side, there's just a wall. So we've got a slightly better view of something. Look at the homes. You can feel like you were in the Middle East, Iran, Afghanistan, Pakistan, northern part of Pakistan, in Iran, and probably the northern part of Iraq. The south is more deserty, but still the houses are pretty similar. But it was very cold last night, really cold. There's no insulation, and inside it's just cold. I'm going to hopefully get some pizza tonight from Speedy Pizza, if it's open. Otherwise I go to AF. I've had 2 pizzas last week from the pizzerias. Done a lot of steps, so I deserve it. And the one I had from Speedy Pizza didn't have much cheese if you look at the photos. And I'll make probably a photo album of the main nice photos, video clips of them. Yeah, look at that little swamp or little tributary, river tributary. Don't forget it's February, so it's a bit cloudy. Whereas somewhere probably up in Siberia it's minus something. Yeah, it's a river, but very swampy. Ah, look at this, olives. Olives. I think it's olives. Unless it's a vineyard where they sort of, what's the word? Prune. But it looks all very small. It's like newly done. But then I'm no farmer to know. All I know is what they look like in Morocco. They're all over the place. Olive trees everywhere. Actually, I prefer the Moroccan olive oil I had compared to Spain. It's to my liking. Some may like the Spanish one more or accustomed to it, but I love the Moroccan one. And you can buy it. There's a plastic bottle one. It comes from Morocco. It used to be £4 a litre, I remember, in Liverpool. £3.50, £4. Who knows how much that is now? I don't know. Because everything's gone up by 200-300%. Just gone under a bridge. Oh, look at that. Oh, let me take a photo of that. If I can. Actually, I don't need to. I can do screenshots. I noticed yesterday when I had to find a thumbnail for the beginning of the video clips, and the auto generation on YouTube was not really good at all. So I thought, yeah, I can do a screenshot on the laptop and of a certain frame and use that, which I did for the ones on Saturday videos I made. It's a very nice smooth train. Not going so fast like in London. The southeast trains are like zoom, or the really high speed from London up to Leeds. I've been on that one. That was ever so fast, 100 miles an hour. If I've got a speed thing, let me do that and then I'll come back.